Hello everyone, you are welcome in Pen.net tutorial. In this tutorial, I will tell you how to install Pen.net in your system. Firstly, I would like to give you introduction of Pen.net. Pen.net is an image editing software for Windows. It has many features like its good user interface, its supports of letters, its unlimited history, its special effects, and a variety of different tools. For downloading this, we need to go to this website www.getpen.net. This is the link for downloading this Pen.net. From this website, you can have the link. We are get into the download page and we will click on download, and then we will get the final link for downloading the Pen.net software. And after clicking on this download, the downloading will start. Now we have downloaded the Pen.net software in our system. It will be in zip file, that is zip. Then we will double click on that file and the file will be open. Then we'll extract the file. After extracting the file, it will ask for the permission. It will ask for the permission, and when you give the permission, installing will start. Now we have the installation window for Pen.net. Here Express will be automatically selected. Then we'll click on next. Then we'll give the permission by clicking on I agree option. And now the installation will start. If the previous version is already installed, then that will be removed. As soon as it gets installed, then it will optimize the Pen.net software according to your system. It will take a little time. Now Pen.net is installed. Pen.net is a totally free software. It is also a freeware. If you want to support the developer, you can directly pay through the PayPal, or you can purchase it from the Windows Store. So it is also available on Windows Store with a very little fee. If you install through Windows Store Pen.net, then it will automatically update and there is no need to reinstall all the time when the new version appears. And when you'll purchase it from Windows Store, the developer will get the support given by you. And now we'll finish the installation. So it was the whole tutorial for the installation of Pen.net software. Thank you. So if you like this video, must subscribe. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, and thank you, and share it over.